Good afternoon. This is Sherwood Tucker with American Ag Marketing from downtown Chicago on Friday, October the 18th with this afternoon's closing market commentary. With the trading day over, let's get caught up on some closing prices here. The December corn market ended up closing down 1.5 cents at 41.5, with the market down 1.5 as well at 4.54. November beans settled down the day at 2 cents, 12.91 1/4, with the January 14 up 1/4 cent, 12.89 3/4. December wheat had the banner day out of the grain and oilseed markets, up 19 cents at 7.05, with March up 17 3/4 at 7.13 3/4, with the Kansas City December up 18.5 at 7.67.5. December meal was down 3.10 at 409.90. December oil up 57 at 41.69. The November feeder market ended up selling down slightly 10, 166.80, with the December fats up 25 at 132.02. The Dow futures December settled up 24, with the December mini S&P market settling up 9.5 points. Gold currently down $7.60 at 13.1540 after a big up day yesterday. The dollar index down again today a little bit, 79.69, still holding under that key 80-cent level. And the December bonds down 2 ticks, nothing major there. December cotton down 82, closing at 83 cents even, with the cocoa market for March down 53 at 27.13. And December crude oil up slightly at up 27 cents, closing a little bit above 101 at 101.15. And March sugar 1948 up 48 on the day. Again, the big story in the grain markets today was the wheat markets leading these markets higher. Corn had a lethargic trading day, obviously. News in wheat is that they're basically talk circulating around the trade that there's going to be a lot more grain expected to be exported than was reported during the USDA shutdown. There's also real strong possibility that Brazil will be back at the table to buy more wheat following the release of Argentina's production estimates, which were a mere 8.8 million metric tons compared to the current USDA estimate of 12 million metric tons. So if you combine Brazilian demand and the potential for more Chinese demand, we could be looking at extremely tight supply situations. We're looking for spreads to tighten and remain that way for much of this crop's year. There is a chance for some moisture today and tomorrow in the central and southern plains, and then turning drier through much of next week. Our technical outlook on the December wheat futures, they traded as high as 706.5 today, which is a fresh 3-month high. And they actually took out the high from July 11, 2013 at 705 3/4, which is a pretty bullish sign. It's possibly a double top. It did end up settling right at that price. But if you're still long this market, continue to monitor the position and tighten all stop loss prices. If this market can clear 705 3/4 resistance, this may open the door to another leg higher, up to the 7 and 14.5 price area, where there's a key gap if you go back a few months there, which it might fill in, but that should provide the next upturn resistance. That's it for this afternoon's market commentary. Have a great weekend. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 312-987-2072. Also visit our website. We keep a updated blog daily of all our ideas and research, and that's www.americanagmarketing.com. And again, have a great afternoon, weekend, stay safe, and we'll be back to you next week. Thank you.